Good morning student. In the last video we have taken our fourth lesson weather and climate. Students, today we are going to start our fifth lesson, that is the equatorial region. And this equatorial region is related with the Democratic Republic of Congo. So we have to see about this lesson, student. Student, here four pictures of animals are given in your textbook, page number 245. You have to unscramble the letters and name these animals. Student, here animals are given here and you have to write the names of these animals properly. ONIL means here lion. Answer of first picture is lion, second is elephant, third is chimpanzee, and fourth one is crocodile. So these are the answers of these pictures and these are the answers of these unscrambled letters. Students, if you see the map of equatorial regions of the world, that is on page number 245, you will see by the green color it shows equatorial regions of the world. The equatorial region falls in the torrid zone. In the last video or in the last lesson we have already seen there are three climatic zones or heat zones. They are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. So this equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and has a hot and wet climate throughout the year. Means in the equatorial region there is always hot and wet climate throughout the year. That climate doesn't change here in the equatorial region. The region is found on both sides of the equator. This equatorial region, if you see, torrid zone is on the both sides of the equator. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Means this equatorial region lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, that is in the torrid zone. You see that map on page number 245. If we look at the map carefully, we will see that the continents that come under the equatorial region are South America, Africa and Southeast Asia. Three types of continents are come under the equatorial region area. And which three continents are there? They are South America, Africa and Southeast Asia. And that was given, this equatorial region is shown with the help of green color. Now we will see about the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Democratic Republic of the Congo, earlier called Zaire, lies in the equatorial region. We are going to see the information about one type of nation as far as the equatorial region is concerned, and the name of that nation is the Democratic Republic of Congo. And earlier the name of this country was Zaire. It lies in the equatorial region. We will be reading about the various features of this country in detail in this lesson. Means it is one of the part of equatorial region, which is that Zaire or the Democratic Republic of Congo. We are going to see the information about this country and it is in details. Student, if you want to study any type of region or any type of country, then what is important? You have to see the exact location of that country. So first of all we will see the location of this Democratic Republic of Congo. Location. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is located in Central Africa. It is located in the African continent and it is in the central part of Africa. It is the second largest country of Africa after Algeria. Means in the African continent, the largest country is Algeria and the second largest country is the Democratic Republic of Congo. The equator passes through the northern part of the country. Means this Democratic Republic of the Congo, the equator passes through this country, in the northern part of this country. The largest city, Kinshasa is the capital of this country. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is surrounded by 9 countries. Means 9 countries are surrounded, or 9 countries are the neighboring countries of this Democratic Republic of Congo. And what is the capital of this nation, the Democratic Republic of Congo? The name of the capital is Kinshasa. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is surrounded by 9 countries. Let us see the neighbors of this country on the map. If you see the map, in the middle, you can see the Democratic Republic of the Congo and other countries, that is Bamba, Mumbere, Kisangani, Bukavu, Kangana, Republic of the, you can see all these type of countries, Cameroon, Gabon, Tanzania. These are all types of country you can see in the map. So which countries are there? That is shown in this map also. In the north, there is Central African Republic and Sudan. In the west, Republic of the Congo. In the south, Angola and Zambia. In the east, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi and Tanzania. Means these are the different types of countries as far as the Democratic Republic of Congo is concerned. Student, now we will see. So you can observe this map of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Student, after that, we have to see the geography of this country in the next video. So this is the general information as far as the equatorial region, and in that particular region we are going to see the information about Democratic Republic of Congo or Zaire. So that's all for today, student.